Imagine Karo, a slow, steady snail, a pate par glide, ar raha hai. Ab, picture Karo, a giant octopus, jiski arms ocean that garayan in swirl ar bin ar. Kaya themselves believe are that these both a high family from belong to ar, Suna in strange lagega, but these sahai. These creatures, jitni different rat ar din, both a fascinating group as members are jiska called high phylum Mollusca. IS's diverse group in a loch from also Ziata species are Jo Isa animal kingdom as from the largest groups in from a Banata high. Common garden snail from leaker elusive giant squid till mollusks shapes, sizes, our lifestyles that a dazzling array in ate are. Unka habitats also utna high varied are. Gardens are forests from lika rivers, lakes, or ocean that wishaltatak. Mir sath chalojabwi film mollusca as secrets go uncover to do us for a journey par nikalte are. Their incredible diversity, remarkable adaptations, our humor planet as ecosystems in vital role co-explore do while. Mollusks ne humare planet as Karib each corner ko conquer ar liya hai, ocean that gehrayon from Lekar mountains that peaks till. Unhon itni remarkable success kaise achieve that? Iska answer hai their incredible ability to adapt. Lakon salonin, mollusks ne body plans are lifestyles that a wide range evolve that high, which would different habitats and thrive are saki. Some, jaisi clams or oysters, ne a sedentary lifestyle adopt our liya hai, water from our food filter by. Dusre, jaisi snails or slugs, slow-moving grazers are, plants or algae kakar levar, are for our cephalopods, a group which octopuses, squids, or cuttlefish included are. These intelligent or agile predators, phylum Mollusca that evolutionary potential k a testament are. Inky incredible diversity as despite, all mollusks in some common features have our Jo Unhi a group that like unite duar. These shared characteristics, their evolutionary history are remarkable success co-understanding that key are. A defining feature high a soft, unsegmented body k having. These soft body often a hard calcium carbonate shell from protect have high, although these shell some groups in, jaisi slugs or octopuses in, reduced or absent have high. Dusra characteristic hai, a muscular foot, jiska use locomotion, attachment, or both as combination as for done goes high. A snail ko their foot par glide do, while or a clam ko their foot ko sand and burrow to do as for use do while imagine. Finally, most mollusks in a specialized feeding structure have high, which Rajula called goes high. These ribbon-like organs, smallest teeth from covered, have high our iska use food scrape to do, drill to do, or cut to do as for done goes high. Let's a typical mollusk's body structure in little deep delve duar. Imagine Karo that a snail humara model high. Iska soft body familiar spiral shell as inside enclosed high. Body as front and head have high, which sensory organs have are jaisi tentacles or eyes. These snail ko their surroundings and navigate to do our food find and help duar. Head as below muscular foot have high Jo nature ka a marvel high. These strong flexible organ snail ko slow but surely move to do and enable karta high. They're behind slime k a trail leaving while. Foot as above visceral mass have high, which snail as internal organs have are. Here you will digestive system, circulatory system, or reproductive organs find. These altogether snail co alive are thriving keep as for work do are. Section 5, Shell Game, Snails and Their Homes. Many all mollusks as for shell just a protective covering not high. These, a portable home high. Snails especially, their spiraled shells as for famous are, Jo safety or shelter both provide duar. Shellka intricate design, natural engineering k a masterpiece, tissue that a layer from secrete have high, which mantle called goes high. As snail grow karta high, so its shell also grow karta high. Their increasing size ko accommodate to do as for calcium carbonate that new layers add karta high. Shell as colors are patterns just decorative not have. These camouflage k work do are. Snail ko their surroundings and blend to do our predators from escape and help do are. A garden snail as delicate swirls from leaker a tropical sea snail as vibrant hues till. These shells nature that beauty or ingenuity k a testament are. Section 6, Clams, Buried Treasures of the Seabed. Where snails their homes despite their pit par carry duar, clams need a different strategy adopt that highwo seabed in burrow duar. Their shells co-predators from escape as for shields that like use do while. Unka shells, Jo valves called, as do hinged halves from made have are, powerful muscles from tightly close kiajakan are. These hungry crabs, starfish, or other marine creatures from a safe haven create karta high. Clams filter feeders have are. A siphon as through their bodies in water draw do are. Our smallest organisms or organic matter ko filter out do are. These feeding method marine ecosystems in water quality maintain to do in a vital role, play carta high. Section 7. Octopuses, intelligence. These tentacles, phylum Mollusca, that any also exploration octopuses as without complete not be possible, Joe invertebrate world as undisputed intellectuals are. These remarkable creatures in incredible intelligence, problem-solving abilities, our camouflage skills are Joe scientists co today till amazed do are. Their shelled relatives as unlike, octopuses as pas soft, boneless bodies have are, which with tight spaces from squeeze be can, are our astonishing ease from our shape change, our can are. Unki 8 arms, which from each a hundreds of suckers from lined have high, just locomotion as for high not bulky objects co-manipulate to do, their surroundings co-explore to do, or prey co-hunt to do, as for also use have are. Octopuses disguise as master have are, their skin as color or texture co-change by their environment and seamlessly blend be can are. These camouflage it na effective have high, that will a moment in disappear be can are, predators or prey both as for practically invisible be jatar. Section 8. Mollusks. These the web of life. Mollusks aquatic our terrestrial ecosystems as integral members are. Food webs, nutrient cycling, our habitat formation in vital roles play do are. Herbivores being as because, snails are slugs plant growth ko controlled to do and help do are, while predatory mollusks, JEE octopuses, are some sea snails other animals that populations co check in keep are. Filter feeders, JEE clams or mussels, excess nutrients or suspended particles ko removed by water quality improve do are. Unki shells, Joe calcium carbonate from rich have are, coral reefs or other marine habitats that formation and contribute do are. Section 9. Mollusks and us food, pearls and more. Mollusks always from human societies in an important role play do come are. Us food, jewelry, our tools also provide do are. For centuries from, world across as people protein, as source as for mollusks par depend do ben are. Clams, oysters, mussels, scallops, our abalone edible mollusks, that just some examples are Joe hamari plates that grace enhance are. Pearls, Joe certain oysters are mussels as shells as inside bante are, despite their beauty our luster as for prized are. Mollusk shells can use tools, ornaments, or some cultures and currency make as for also done Gaia high. Their iridescent inner layers, which nacre or mother of pearl as called from known goes high, for centuries from decorative items in incorporate that being bin are. Section 10. The future of mollusks. Challenges in conservation. Despite their resilience many mollusk populations human activities from increasing while threats ka samna are bin are. Habitat destruction, pollution, overfishing, our climate change. These fascinating creatures party falling bin are. These many crucial high that we mollusks that importance co-recognize karain are future generations, as for unhe protect to do as for steps take. Sustainable fishing practices, pollution reduction efforts, our habitat restoration projects, these fascinating or ecologically important animals that survival ensure to do as for essential are. Mollusks, our own key challenges is Bari and Ziada knowing. We all their conservation in our role play our canner. Section 11. Mollusks, a legacy of success. From the smallest snail from Laker from the largest squid till phylum Mollusca earth bar life that incredible diversity or adaptability ko showcase karta hai. Their remarkable evolutionary journey k result a dazzling array of forms, functions, or lifestyles as Rup and Nikla hai. As that we have discovered done high, mollusks just they're themselves in fascinating creatures, not our bulky humar planet as ecosystems as vital members, our human societies as for important resources also are. These remarkable animals co-understanding, or appreciate by, we their continued survival, ensure to do our coming future generations, as for unco wonders, par marvel to do and help, arcan are.